Hello and welcome to my presentation. This presentation is provided by Uspectra Pharma Consulting as a learning process. Today, let me speak about API product sampling. Proper sampling can help to ensure that the raw materials being used in APIs are consistently safe and effective. There are three phases for effective bulk sampling. Number one, prepare to take the sample. Number two, collect the sample. Number three, properly repack the bulk product after the sample is taken. Now, let us see the phase 1, that is, prepare to take the sample. Preparation of sample involves facility design, safety and risk, and sampling tools. Facility and design. Sampling should be taken in a standard GMP certified powder handling suit. Coming to safety and risk, it ensures the worker safety and reduces risk of foreign materials. And finally, sampling tools. Tools used for sampling. Now, let us discuss them in detail. Facility design. These are the important guidelines while designing the facility. Sampling should take place in a standard GMP certified powder handling suit. Powder handling suit should be accessed through a pressurized airlock, and this airlock should serve as a barrier to keep contaminants from entering the sampling room and API from leaking outside. Safety and risk. To ensure worker safety and reduce the risk of foreign materials contaminating the sample or bulk product, the technician needs to dress in full protective equipment before opening the drum. Sampling tools. Before opening the drum, set out all of your sampling tools. Ensure the cleanliness of the tools before opening the drum. After bringing the product drums into the sampling room, it is important to read the label carefully before opening the drums. And also, you have to verify the material name, batch number, and number of drums to be sampled. Now, let us see the second phase, that is, collect the sample. Collect the sample. Before opening the drum, ensure you have geared up with complete gowning procedure. Products are packed in double polythene bags and placed in HDPE drum. Open the drum. Cut the zip tie on the outside bag and also in the inner bag. Ensure nothing falls into the powder. Take the clean scoop and mix the contents in the drum. Since the product is the finished product, we have to consider all drums for sampling. Here, we are demonstrating the sampling of one particular drum. Collect powder from few different spots in the drum, that is top, middle and bottom, about 30 grams each. Ensure the sample is representative. Taking a large sampling and later dividing it as a testing sample and control sample. Combine all the samples in the sampling bag and mix together. From the sample packaging, measure out two representative samples and label as test sample and control sample. Seal or ziplock the sample bags. These samples are sent to lab for analysis. This is the last step in second phase, collect the sample. Now let us see the last phase, that is repacking the bulk product. Repacking the bulk product involves following steps. Return excess material to the open drums, distributing them equally. To repack the bulk product, remove the air from each internal bags. Close it with a zip tie. This ends the phase 3, that is repacking the bulk product. So remember to follow 3 phases of API sampling. Number 1, prepare to take the sample. Number 2, collect the sample. Number 3, repack the material. Thank you very much for following the presentation. We look forward to give more presentations. Thank you.